Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. You can do it just by using this, let's say, right button here, or if you don't have the camera shortcut here, no worries, you can enter it with the usage of the menu. So just press the middle button, go right, and press select. So here we've got our camera, and now we have to open the settings. So we have to tap on this left key to open the settings, then go down to camera settings and press select. Sorry, not the camera settings. Here, go down to the timer, press select, and we've got 4 different options. So no timer, 3, 5, or 10 seconds delay. So I'll choose 10 seconds delay, just go down and press select. And now press this middle button to take a photo. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn this option off just by entering the settings again, so this left key, then go down to the timer, select and choose 0. Select, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.